In this video, I'm going to show you a starter guide to Tomarket AI. Tomarket includes a unique click-to-earn game where users can earn tomato tokens by passively mining on their phones and playing a mini-game. These tokens can later be converted to the official Tomarket AI tokens, which can be used for trading various assets including real-world assets, crypto bond yields, and more. So in the tow market announcement, you'll be able to keep updated with the tow market updates, which can be later useful for you on the platform. Now to start using tow market, just go ahead and click on the open button and click on start to be able to open the tow market app on your device. Now this will redirect you to the Tomarket app. Click on the Start Earning Tomato button to be able to start earning tomatoes on Tomarket. So these tomatoes can later on be converted to tokens so that you can convert into different cryptocurrencies. Signing in on the platform in a daily basis will allow you to earn more tomatoes and tickets to farm on your Tomarket. Just go ahead and click on the Continue button and click on Claim since the hidden tomato stash is the latest event on Tomarket. Just go ahead and click on the Claim button to claim your 5,000 free tomato. Now in here, you'll be able to find Dig option, which will allow you to earn more tomatoes. But this will require you to pay 20 stars on Tomarket, which will require you to buy stars on Tomarket using a different cryptocurrency. Now head back to the Tomarket homepage. On the task section, you'll be able to find all of the tasks that will allow you to earn more tomatoes on Tomarket. So as you can see in here, by inviting 3 hamster users, you can claim 4 tokens. And your referred users will receive 50,000 tomato, which also means that Tomarket is a rival application for hamster combat. So there are other tasks that you can do to earn more tomatoes on the platform. Now by clicking on the friends section, you'll be able to invite friends on Tomarket. You can invite a friend who's also a Telegram user or just copy your link by clicking on this copy link icon. On the wallet section, what you can find in here is your available Tomarket stars that you can convert to the cryptocurrency of your choice. So as you can see in here, since my Ton account is connected with my Tomarket application, I can withdraw my Tomarket stars to Ton if it reaches the minimum amount required for me to cash out my Tomarket stars to Ton. So you can earn Tomarket stars by participating with the latest events on Tomarket along with completing daily check-ins and tasks on Tomarket. Click on the Play Now button to be able to start playing on Tomarket. The chances of playing on the platform is indicated by the tickets that you have on the platform. So in here, just go ahead and catch some tomatoes to be able to earn tomatoes on the platform. And that's how you can simply use and play Tomarket on your device. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.